Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina, and today I would like to teach you the steps for how to brush your hair. Why do you think it's important to learn how to brush your hair and take care of your body? Do you think maybe it's important for hygiene? That means keeping ourselves clean and healthy? Yes. It's also important to have good hygiene when we go out to our schools or to our job sites to be put together. So today I'm going to show you those steps, whether your hair's straight like mine is today, or maybe if you have curly hair and how you can do it when you're in the shower with conditioner. Let's take a look at those steps. Come on.
As you can see, my hair is looking pretty big, messy, and tangly. What should we do when our hair looks like this? Right, this is a perfect opportunity to practice brushing our hair. First, you want to grab your hairbrush. Next, pull your hair to one side of your head, or you can split it in half like I did. Grab your hair with one hand. Then grab your brush and begin brushing with your other hand, starting at the bottom or the ends of your hair. Slowly work your brush up your hair to make sure you're getting out all the tangles. Work your way up all the way to the roots or the top of your hair. You want to brush your hair from the top of your head all the way down to the ends to make sure you're getting out all the knots and tangles. As you can see, one side of my hair looks a lot neater than the other. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side where I split my hair. Grab your hair with one hand and then the brush with the other. Start brushing the ends of your hair. And again, you're going to carefully work your way up to the top of your head, brushing from the top all the way to the bottom of your hair. Now I'm going to move my hair to the back and make sure I use the brush to brush the back of my head as well. We want to make sure to get all the knots out of my hair. Now you have the option, if you like, to add a hair cream or a serum to your hair. This helps reduce frizz and make your hair look shinier. To do this, squirt a little product in your hair and then rub that product through your hair using your hands, or you can brush your hair through. If you have curly or very tangled hair like I do, it's a good idea to actually brush your hair while you're in the shower. To do this, squeeze a little bit of conditioner onto your hands. Then lather it or move it around your hair, starting from the ends or the bottom of your hair, all the way up to the top or the roots of your hair. Move it all around until your whole head of hair feels super slippery. As you can see, my hair is still really knotted. This is the perfect time to brush. Again, grab your brush, hold your hair with one hand, and start carefully brushing, starting at the ends or the bottom of your hair. Work your way up as you're slowly brushing higher and higher until you get to the top of your head. Then brush from the top of your head all the way to the ends of your hair. Repeat this process on the other side to make sure you get all the tangles out of your hair. As you can see, the brush is starting to go through my hair much more easily. I want to make sure I brush the back of my hair as well to get all of those knots out. Perfect. Now, if you do brush your hair in the shower, make sure to rinse the conditioner out of your hair before you get out of the shower.
Thank you so much for following along with me. I can't wait to see the progress that you're making learning these hygiene steps on your own. If you need some extra help, check the description below for a step-by-step picture guide. Thanks. Bye.